Yeah, good evening everyone. Please check audio video is okay or not. Please verify audio video is okay or not. Someone is saying you always came late. Where I came late? Right. Yeah, in the last class time complexity, right? I think I done two problems, right? One problem or two problem, I don't know, right? One problem or two problem, I don't know. Let's start now. Mostly one problem I done. See the second problem. See the second problem. May x is equal to y plus z for I is equal to 1, I less than or y plus z. Yeah. This program, what will be the time complexity? This program, what will be the time complexity? In the last class, I done one problem if I remember. This is the second problem. How you find out time complexity? Can you go ahead? Yeah, if you want to find out time complements are they, it is the first statement. First identify how many statements are there. That is the first statement. And one more. See this one. It is the first statement. It is the second statement. It is the second statement. If you want to find out time complexity, first identify how many statements are there. Right? For loop is not a statement. For loop is not a statement. Right? Identify how many statements are there. Yeah. Two statements are there. Two statements are there. Identify how many statements are there. Two statements are there. Next question. Listen. Next question. This program contains two statements. First one and second one. And one more thing is while running, statement 1 will execute how many times? While running this program in the execution, statement 1 will execute one time. That is called order of magnitude. Each I value statement 2 will execute, 3 statement 2 will execute, and so on. Right? First if you see the for loop, right? It is something like initialization, computation, number 4. It will execute like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. Like this it will run. This is the loop. Like this it will be run. Like this it is run. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. It is keep on running. So my question here is statement, right? Listen everyone. My question here is statement 2 will execute how many times? Right? Statement 2 will execute how many times? So statement 1 will execute while running one time. Statement 2 will execute while running, right? This will execute. Right? Means 2 means this one, right? This one, right? This will execute while running. While running, this will execute n time. 1 will execute one time. 2 will execute n time. Forget about these numbers also. If at all confusion is there, remove the numbers. Statement 1 will execute one time. Statement 1 will execute one time. Statement 2 will execute n time. Killing. Is it okay now? Is it okay now? Yeah, that is the reason. That is the reason. Tapan. Nothing. No one can beat Unacademy platform. Trust me. Trust me. Even YouTube is right. Even YouTube live having problem. Unacademy live don't have any problem. That much great application, Unacademy application. That much great application, Unacademy application. Right? Very easily. Hey Tapan, hey Madhu, good boy. Madhu is a good boy. Yeah, let's start now. So, statement 1. Statement 1. I think Madhu, you no need to attend here. Madhu, you no need to attend here. You can go. Right, those people, right? Let's see this one. So happily you can see the Unacademy app. You can, right? Happily is there. You can use it. Right, now come here now. YouTube people. YouTube people can come here. YouTube people can come here. See, statement 1 will execute while running one time. Statement 2 will execute while running n time. Now total sum is n plus 1. Total sum is n plus 1. Total sum is n plus 1. Right? This can be written as n plus 1 can be written as which is the bigger? N and 1, which is bigger? N bigger. So theta of n. Whichever bigger take. N and 1, whichever bigger take. Theta of n. If n bigger, theta of n. Just if you want to find out time complexity of any program, the first thing what you have to do is find number of statements. The second thing what you do is every statement, how many times it is running while executing. Statement 1 will execute one time only because it is not part of the loop. Statement 2 will execute n time because it is a part of the loop. So total sum is going to be n plus 1. Right? Whichever is bigger, n bigger. So theta of n. Time complexity of this program, theta of n. Time complexity of this program, theta of n. Let's go to next problem. Let's go to next problem. Example 2 is okay. Anyone having any doubt in the example 2, let me know. Anyone having any doubt, please let me know. Anyone having any doubt, please let me know. Sir, this is my doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Right. Varun, how are you? Varun, why you came here? Varun, why you came here, man? Varun, you came here, man. Please go and do your practice. You are already seen algo. Why you came here? Please go and practice. This is for you two people. This is for you two people. It is not for you. You go and enjoy. You go and practice. Let's go to the third problem. Main. X is equal to y plus z for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus, x is equal to y plus z. Next, for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I 1, j less than or equal to n, j plus plus, x is equal to y plus z. Yeah, can you verify yourself? What is the time complexity of this program? Can you verify yourself? What is the time complexity of this program? Sir, you know Krish. Krish is there. Krish is there. Where is the Krish? Yeah, can you see what is the time complexity of this program? Can you help me now? What is the procedure? Time complexity of this any program procedure. See this one, procedure. Everyone listen, procedure. So line statement number 1, statement number 2, statement number 3. 3 statements are there. This program contains 3 statements. This program contains 3 statements. Purpose of loop is repetition. Purpose of loop is repetition. Purpose of loop is repetition. Right? So, other than the loops, if you observe, 3 statements are there. Just don't count the loops. Loops purpose, right? Purpose of the for loop is repetition purpose. Right? So, 3 statements are there. Can you help me now? When I run this program, statement 1 will execute how many times? 1 time. While running this program, statement 1 will execute 1 time. Next one. While running this program, statement 2 will execute how many times? N time. While running this program, statement 2 will execute how many times? N time. Next one. While running this program, statement 3 will execute every time. See, each I value, right? J will run N time. Each I value, J will run N time. I value 1. J loop is N time. Every time statement 3 will execute. I value 2. J loop is N time. Every time, right? 3 will execute. I value 3. J loop is executing N time. Every time third loop is, right? Third statement will execute N time. So it will execute like this. Listen, it will execute like this one. I is equal to 1. I is equal to 1. I is equal to 1. J loop is 1 to N. There, right? Statement 3 will execute N time. Right? So what I want to say is let me write clearly. Let me write clearly now. I is equal to 1. J loop is N time. Every time third statement. Next one. I is equal to 2. J loop is N time. Every time third statement. I is equal to 3. J loop is N time. Right? Every time third statement. It will continue like this. I is equal to N. J loop is N time. Every time third statement. So if you observe, right? I is equal to 1 N. I is equal to 2 N. So 2 times N. Right? I is equal to 3 times N. I is equal to 4 times N. So it is something like N times N. N times N. If 2 times N, 2N. 3 times N, 3N. N times N, N square. n times n square. So if you see the total, right, statement 1 will execute 1 time, statement 2 will execute n time, statement 3 will execute n square time. Out of all of them, bigger is n square. Just write theta, theta of bigger. Just write bigger, theta of bigger. Just write bigger, theta of bigger. Right. Right, fine. So this program time complexity is going to be, right, n square. First, right, first statement is 1 time, second statement is n time, third statement is n square time. So some people are asking, sir, why don't you take the for loop also? Yes, I considered that there is an n. So second statement is executing n time because of that loop only. So indirectly I covered the for loop also. Right? So directly I am not taken, indirectly I covered. Next one. Third statement will execute n, right? Right? Indirectly I covered. So I said two problems. This is the first problem. This is the second problem. Anyone having any doubt, let me know. Anyone having any doubt, let me know. So there are two problems I covered. Small doubt also there, let me know. So yeah, I will see comments also some point of time. Right? Let's go to the next. Anyone having doubt, let me know. Sir, this is my doubt. You ask me, I will help you. In this lecture, if you find out any difficulty, please let me know. In this lecture, if you find out any difficulty, please let me know. Check one time. There are two programs, I said. Till now there are two programs. My suggestion is plus people. If you are a plus member, please don't listen this. If you are a plus member, please don't listen this. I don't like plus people here. Please plus people, don't waste time. You can go and you can watch, right? Unacademy plus, right? Plus class. Sure, I will start. So that is the meaning of YouTube. So you have to use theta. Right? When you are using theta, you can use big O also. You can use omega also. Right? When I written the theta of n square, you can write big O of n square also. You can write omega of n square also. See, theta of n square, this can be written as big O of n square also. This can be written as omega of n square also. You can write whatever symbol you like. Theta means big O also, omega also. Yeah, right. That's what I am saying. When I written theta, that means big O also, omega also. Some people will write big O, some people will write omega, some people will write theta. All are correct. Right, fine. That is the second example. Let's go to third example. Main. Third example. Main. For I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus, x is equal to y plus z. Next one, for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. For j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to n, j plus plus. x is equal to y plus z. For I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to n, j plus plus x is equal to y plus z, end of the entire program. Yeah, can you try yourself? What is the time complexity of this program? Try this. Try this problem. Yeah, my suggestion. So all plus people, please, plus people, don't stay here. I don't want you here. All plus people, please leave the class. Plus people, please leave the class. If you are not plus, you can stay here. Right. So can you say now, what is the time complexity of this program? Try once. Those people who are watching the class, please let me know what will be the time complexity you are thinking. First identify how many statements. First identify how many statements. First identify how many statements. Next one, every statement executing how many times, because that statement may be inside the loop. That statement may be inside the loop. First identify how many statements. After identifying, first identify how many statements are there. After identifying, right, go to every statement and see how many times it is running. Akib, already, right? Rank improvement course is there. Please complete it. Right? Next month I will start. Next month I will start revision courses. Are you getting? Already rank improvement course of last year available. Right? Which is the practice course only. Please complete that first. Right? Again this year, right? This year rank improvement course I will start next month. Yeah, fine. That's okay. Please let me know what is the time complexity of this program. Let me check what is the time complexity. See this one. First count how many statements. Statement number 1, statement number 2, statement number 3. There are 3 statements. Statement number 1, statement number 2, statement number 3. 3 statements are there. Next one, while running, statement 1 will execute how many times? While running, statement 1 will execute how many times? N time. While running, statement 2 will execute how many times? N square time. While running, statement 3 will execute how many times? N cube time. While running, statement 1 will execute n time, statement 2 will execute n square time, statement 3 will execute n cube time. Now can you help me know what is the overall time? N plus n square plus n cube. Who is the bigger one? Bigger one, n cube. So theta of n cube. Whoever bigger, that will be the answer. Whoever is bigger, that will be the answer. Just identify how many statements. Next, every statement executing how many times? Count. After counting, total sum you do. Whichever is the bigger one, theta of bigger one. Whichever is the bigger one, theta of bigger one. Sir, in RIC, PYQs are there. Yes, there. few PYQs are there, few good problems. It's a combination. Yeah, Patak ji, now fine. Right, so I think, right? Yeah, someone is asking, right, is it same content and all? So just what I want to say is, right, in plus class, algo DS, in plus class algo DS is approximately algo DS is, right, 3 hours lectures, 100, 50 algo lectures, 50 DS lectures, totally 100, right, totally 100 lectures, 50 algo, 50 DS. But here most probably I will teach approximately 25 lectures like that. I may not able to cover all the topics. Few I will cover. Right? In the plus total, right? Total 100 lectures. 50 algo, 50 DS because it's a very very important course. Because it is a very very important course. 50 algo, 50 DS. But here, right, approximately, right, combinedly I will take only 25 lectures. Combined I will take only 25 lectures, right? Fine, that's fine now. So listen, if you want to find out time complexity, of any program, what is the first thing you have to do is, right, identify how many statements are there. Second what you do is, every statement executing how many times. Add them whichever bigger you take. Right? Add them whichever bigger you take. Sandeep, I don't know. There is no offline classes. Sandeep, there is no offline classes. Now go to the next one. Next problem. Main. For I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I is equal to I plus 2 or I plus 5, x is equal to y plus z. For I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I is equal to I plus 7. For j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to n, j is equal to j plus 9, x is equal to y plus z. Yeah, this is the program. Can you say what is the time complexity of this program? Can you say what is the time complexity of this program? It is the, I think it is the fifth program. This is the fifth program. One program in the first class we done. One program we done in the first class. It is the second program. It is the third program. It is the fourth program. It is the fifth program. So it is the fifth program. Try yourself. What is the time complexity of this program? What is the time complexity of this program? Yeah, Richa, right? Richa, yes, most very very important things all are there. Richa, all good problems are there. Yeah. So, right, this is the program. This is a nice problem. This is the nice problem. So slowly I am increasing the level. Slowly I am increasing the level of the programs. Initially I given a very small program. Little bit bigger, little bit bigger. This is a little better. Comparing previous problem, this is a little better. This is a nice problem. Please, you can try now. And those people, see, those, if you are really serious, my suggestion is, if you are really serious, my suggestion is, you can join Unacademy Plus or Iconic. Advantage is, there is no buffering. Means there is no problem at all. Unacademy app is a very good app. There is no buffering problem. That is the first thing. And one more, there is a small lagging is there. That is also not there. You can ask direct question. You can ask, right? So it is a really, right? You can understand how much beautiful Unacademy class is. Very nice class, right? Lot of interaction. So many good jokes also, right? So many, I can say very nicely, if at all Unacademy platform, it is a very fast, very communicative. There is no problems at all in the YouTube. See, in the YouTube, right? Some students are interested in class, some students are not interested. Some people will play jokes, right? If you are really serious, my suggestion is, please join Unacademy Plus class or Iconic. It's my real suggestion. If you are really, right? If you are really not serious, it's okay. If serious, you join. My suggestion is that. Right, fine. Anyhow, what is the time complexity of this program? Yeah, I'm explaining. What is the time complexity of this program? I'm explaining. Before going to time complexity of that program, let me say something about Unacademy. Let me say something about Unacademy. See this one. If you are preparing for, let me say something about Unacademy. If you are preparing for 2024 GATE exam, if you are preparing for 2024 GATE exam, if you are preparing for 2024 GATE exam, means if you are a third year student, if you are a second year student, or if you are a third year student, if you are a fourth year student, I am really saying to you, if you are preparing for 2024 GATE exam or 24 or 25, means second year or third year, fourth year, my suggestion to you is, my suggestion to you, please take Unacademy Plus subscription or Iconic subscription. Learn subject properly. You take Unacademy Plus or Iconic. Learn, right? After taking, learn all the concepts well. You will get very good placement. Or you may go to IIT, you may go to IIIT, you may go to NIT, you may go to some central universities, or you may go to the PSU, you may go to topmost software company. My suggestion is, if you are preparing for 2024 GATE exam or 25, or second year or third year, fourth year students, my suggestion as a elder brother is, take Plus subscription or Iconic. Right. So you can take the 12 months or 15 months. You can take 12 months or 15 months. Some nice offer is going on. 12 months if you take 3 months extra. 15 months if you take 3 months extra. Right. Use the referral code ReddySir to get the discount also. If you are serious, you can join. Because if you in the Unacademy app, no lagging, no buffering, no disturbance at all. No lagging, no buffering, no disturbance. All are very good students. All are very good students. Everyone came for learning. Everyone came for learning. Quality content is there. Quality lecture. If you are serious, without thinking 1 minute also, please go for this. Please go for this. Please go for this. Next one, see this one. Next one, everyone listen. Algorithm I am starting. 24th of this month, I am starting algorithm. Right? It is the 50 lecture class. Algorithm 50 lectures. Data structure 50 lecture. Right? If you can attain these 50 lectures, Algo A to Z will be covered. DS A to Z will be covered. You can crack any interview. You can crack GATE examination. You can crack any software interview. Everything I will cover in these 50 lectures of Algo, 50 lectures of DS, everything I will cover. But on YouTube, I can teach only few hours. You know very well, you know, right? There is a business logic. I cannot teach everything. There is a business logic. Right? Few topics I will teach. Few topics I will teach. Other than this, I cannot do anything. Right? Algo is starting. Algo is over, then immediately DS will start. And one more thing, it is me, right? Algo I will start, followed by DS, followed by TOC, followed by compiler design, followed by computer network, followed by, right, followed by discrete mathematics, right? Next one is digital. One by one I will cover. One by one I will cover. And some more, right? Good faculty are there, right? So, right? So remaining subjects, right? Remaining good faculty will cover. So this is the sequence I will follow. Algo, first I will teach DS, TOC, CD, computer network, discrete mathematics, digital, right? Like that I will teach. Right? Other subjects, some more teachers are there, you can comfortably follow it. Next one, those people who are studying, right, who are preparing for 2023, right, you can write Unacademy live test series. 60 plus tests are there. Use the referral code ReddySir. And one more, my suggestion is don't miss this algo class. If you are serious, don't miss it. It is really useful. It is really useful. See, I want to teach on the YouTube. I really want to teach. See, sometimes buffering problem. Sometimes lagging, sometimes some nonsense comments, right? Some people are not serious. My suggestion is, if you are serious, please join Unacademy Plus or Iconic. If you are serious, if you are not serious, not required. And one more, you can go for Unacademy live test series, 12 months or 24 months subscription also. Use referral code ReddySir. Next one. So if you go for Iconic, see these many advantages, right? These many advantages. See, my suggestion is second year people, right? Second year people can attend that lecture. Algo you can start. Third year people, fourth year people, right? So if you are second year or third year or fourth year, comfortably you can follow. Right? These lectures. Learn subjects properly. If you learn everything in the second year itself, third year, right, you can do lot of revisions, right? In the third year itself, you can crack the good GATE rank. Third year itself, you can crack the very good GATE rank, right? My suggestion is go for Unacademy Iconic subscription. If you go for Iconic, see many advantages. If you go for Iconic, many advantages are there. Many. If you go for Iconic, many advantages. Right. I'm thinking you are really comfortable here. Let's go to answer for this problem. This problem, let me answer. See this one. If you want to find out time complexity, first one, how many statements are there? Calculate. It is the number 1. It is the number 2. 2 statements. If you want to find out time complexity, there are 2 statements are there. First, find number of statements. Let's see the comments one time. See, that's what I'm saying. If you are serious, then only join. Not serious, no need. Not right. So I'm not saying you join and all. If you are really serious, instead of wasting time, right, you can join Unacademy Iconic or Plus. Right, you can get the good content and all. Here the problem is, see, in the middle, I don't know when this particular streaming will stop because of buffering and all. Right? Fine. Anyhow, I will try my level best. You also try. Right? Fine. So see the answer. First statement will execute how many times? Everyone listen. If I is incrementing always by 1, listen. If I is always incrementing by 1, right, it will execute n time. See, I value 1, I value 2, I value 3. If I is always incrementing by 1, right, incrementing by plus 5, this is incrementing by plus 1, n by, right, plus 1 means n time. If at all I is always incrementing by plus 5, n by 5 time, plus 7, n by 7 time, plus 20, n by 20 time. So, this loop is incrementing, but always incrementing by 9, n by 9. So, right, I loop is n by 7, j loop is n by 9, both combinedly n by 7 into n by 9. Because of inner loops. Inner loops means you have to multiply. So, it is n square by 7, 9, 63. So second statement will execute n square by 63. First loop will execute n by 5. Second loop will execute n square by 63. Now total if you observe n by 7, total if you observe n by 5 plus n square by 63. This is the total. Forget about constant. If you observe clearly, n and n square, bigger one is n square. You can write theta of n square. Forget about constants, right? Two functions are there, n and n square. Whoever bigger you take. Bigger one is n square, theta of n square. So time complexity of this program is theta of n square. Right? First statement is n by 7, n by 5 times. Right? Second statement is n square by 63. Because of inner loops you have to multiply. See this one. If you want to, listen everyone now. These two are inner loops. But these are outer loops. See, right? This for loop is different. These for loops are different. Outer loop means add. Inner loop means multiply. So I think first loop n by 5 times. Second loop inner loops multiply n square by 63. So total time is n by 5 plus n square by 63. Bigger one is n square, theta of n square. Theta of n square. Please you people study, right? You take care about your life, right? They will take care about their business. Smitakshi, right? They will take care about their business. Business people will take care about their business. As a teacher, I have to teach. As a student, you have to learn. This is our story. Right? You please study, gain the knowledge, right? Get the better rank. Is please concentrate on your work. Right? We no need to do anything with them. Right? We no need to do anything with them. Right? You please learn properly. Gain as much knowledge as possible every day. Right? You no need to bother anything about me. Just gain knowledge. Just gain knowledge. Just gain knowledge. That's what I am saying. Please take care about yours. Right? Right? I'm really right. I'm very happy if my lectures are useful to you. That's it. Right? Please concentrate here. That is a problem. That is the problem with the YouTube. They will talk whatever they want. Students will talk whatever they want. Some people will talk unnecessarily. But my suggestion is please concentrate. Please concentrate. Make your life better. Right? Please improve yourself. Gain as much knowledge as possible. Right? You no need to think about that person, this person. Those organizations will take care about themselves. Right? Fine. Now come here now. Come here now, start. One more problem. Please take care this also. One more problem. Mean. I greater than or equal to 1. I is equal to n. I greater than or equal to 1. I is equal to I minus 5. X is equal to y plus z. For j is equal to 1. J less than or equal to n. J is equal to j plus 3. For I is equal to n square. I greater than or equal to x is equal to y plus z. Yeah, can you try this? What is the time complexity of this program? Y plus z. For j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to n, j is equal to j plus 3. For I is equal to n square, I greater than or equal to 1, I is equal to I minus 23. X is equal to y plus z. It is a nice problem. Can you try once? No, Sakshi, the problem is, right, the problem is, right, Sakshi, try to understand this. The problem is, right, in the plus approximately 100 lectures, here only 30 lectures or 25, right? Anyhow, they will attend 100 lectures, right? Going to attend those 25 lectures here. Afterwards, when I am teaching, they may miss some continuity, something like that. Few things will be definitely missed out, right? Few things definitely they may not, they will miss out. But while listening in the plus class, they may ask this and that. It may create some trouble to me. So I thought of, anyhow they paid, anyhow they joined, right? Why don't they attend there? Other than that, no discrimination, nothing. They given. Yeah, fine. Whatever I will teach, see, whatever I will teach, please gain the knowledge. That's it. Please gain the knowledge. Whatever is going on, please concentrate. Whatever is going on, please concentrate, gain knowledge. Instead of, right, underlining, he said that, like that. Right? Please, what is going on, please enjoy. Yeah, now can you see this one? Can you see this one? Can you see this one? So how many statements are there in this program? At the first statement, at the second statement, at the first statement, at the second statement. Next one. Can you say what is the first statement order of magnitude? What is the first statement order of magnitude? I think if you observe the above problem and this problem, if you observe the above problem and this problem, if you observe both of them, right? In the above problem, I started from, see this one. In the above problem, I started from small. From small started, it went until n. Starting from small, it went until n. At that time, he is incrementing plus 5. Because of starting from small, you have to increment. Then only you will reach n. But how he is incrementing? Always plus 5. But if you see this one, starting from big. When you start from big, to reach 1, you have to decrement. He is decrementing by minus 5. What I want to say is, start from small, then increment, you will go to n. But incrementing time plus 5. Start from big, then decrement until 1. So that is incrementing plus 5. This is the decrementing minus 5. Both same. It is also n by 5. The only thing is, one starting from small number increment, another starting from big number decrement. Right? Above problem, this problem similar. Above problem first statement, this problem first statement same. Start from small increment. Start from big decrement. Right? Fine. Now come to the next one now. If you see the second statement, right? Similar way. Right? I started from small, I am incrementing always plus 3, n by 3. Right? Next one. I started from big number n square. I keep on decrementing. How I am decrementing? 23 by 23. So this will goes to, if start from, right, listen, it start from n, then n by 5, start from n square by 23. n square by 23. n square by 23. So first statement is n by 5. Second statement is n square by 23. Some people are asking, right? First statement is n by 5. Second statement is n by 3, n square by 23. Because of these are inner loops, you have to multiply. So n by 3, n square by 23, which will goes to n cube by 69. Multiply. Inner loops multiply. First statement is n by 5. Second statement is n cube by 69. Because second statement contains two loops. They are inner loops, multiply. Remember, either you will do plus 3, either you will do minus 3, same. But plus 3 means start from small number increment. Minus 3 means start from big number decrement. You may say that, sir, why n square by 23? Because of minus 23 by 23, because of n square by 23. Next one, minus 5, remember, minus 5 plus 5, plus means repetition, plus 5 minus 5 having same meaning. In the number of times repetition, plus 5 minus 5 having same meaning. So first statement n by 5, second statement is n cube by 69. So if you see the total, fine. See, my intention of saying 2 plus people is go to, right, don't see this lecture, go. The reason is, see, lot of buffering. They are already paid money, right? They already paid money. Why they want these problems? You only say they already paid money. Why they want this problem, buffering and all? So that is the reason I said I don't have any bad sense, right? I don't have any bad feeling. Fine, that's okay. That's okay, right? Thank you so much for attending today's class. See you in the next class with some more nice topics. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. Right? Thank you so much.